Hello friends, I'm the scribe of HaBeFaStro. This is the channel of HaBeFaStro, and thank you so much for tuning into HaBeFaStro on developing a casting call club account. How you too can achieve an account to such an awesome website to either audition for awesome projects or to host your own awesome projects. And with that being said, thank you so much for tuning in, and why don't we get into the tutorial, shall we? Chapter 1, Setting Up. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to castingcallclub.com and you should be taken right to the website. After that, you will want to go to the sign up option where you can create your own account. Once you're on the sign up page, then enter your email address. For the sake of this video, I'm using one of my alternate email addresses. Then, create your own username. Whether you decide to use your own professional name, or perhaps a pen name, or a completely different moniker, is entirely up to you. There are almost no limits to what username you can use. For the final bit of signing up, you will want to come up with a password that you can remember. Obviously, I'm not going to show the password that I'm going with, so instead, I'm going to encourage everyone to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please subscribe to Craig's YouTube channel too. Now that we're finished signing up, now it's time for us to describe ourselves. How do you identify your talents, or what you'd like to be casted for, or potentially cast others for? Do you identify as a voice actor, a singer, a producer, live actor, writer, video editor, agent, animator, music composer, artist, director, and perhaps an audio engineer? Feel free to select as many of these trades as you wish. Now, it's time for us to mention how on earth do we find out about this awesome website called castingcallclub.com. By default, castingcallclub.com takes us right to its homepage. To access our profile, dashboard, preferences, and other features, click on your profile picture. And let's go to our profile. Here we are. This is the homepage of Interstellar Adrenaline Wrestling, a temporary account used specifically to give instructions on castingcallclub.com. Next, we're going to want to add a demo if we have one. Also, we will want to give a little biography about ourselves. Feel free to type in as much as you want, be as descriptive as you wish. I'm just going to keep mine short, sweet, and to the point. Blah, 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 blah. If you wish, you can also mention what kind of equipment you use. Sometimes I myself use a Fifine K670 mic, or on occasion I use a Blue Snowball Ice mic, but for now I'm just going to say I use a K670 mic. And now for pricing. Again, this is a completely optional bit. Now, some voice actors are willing to work completely for free, if only to gain experience and to get their name out there, or simply out of the fun of it, while others do highly intend to make this their daily living. In this case, I'm going to say that I'm willing to work for free, but I don't mind paid projects. Lol. Ho ho ho. And then client, testimonial, and education. Again, completely optional. I honestly don't really know what testimonial and client is really supposed to mean, but what have you. Next, let's mention what other platforms we can be found at when we edit our social links. Here you can mention your Twitter, Discord, Facebook, SoundCloud, YouTube channel, and your Skype. Next step, let's edit our attributes. This lets other talents know exactly a little bit more about us, such as our interest, what accents we can emulate, what ages we can emulate when we're acting, what genders we can act, how many languages we can speak, and what other skills we may have. Oh, and also what's great about Casting Call Club is the fact that they have automatic tags, meaning that a tag will pop up and you're free to select whichever tag that suits your fancy. And now for the previously completed works. Here you can point out to projects that you have worked on or have been featured on, where you can both name the title and give a link so that others may find it. And now here's a little something that I forgot to show as I was recording this, but I figured I'd show in post, and that is editing your profile picture. For this, you'll want to click on the icon right above your title in orange, and then you'll want to go through your images and pick whatever photo that you feel represents you, your product, your brand, or your cause. Next, we give it a little while to load, and voila! Our picture is all set. And now let's mention, how on earth did we hear about this awesome website called Casting Call Club? To access our... And let's go to our profile. After adding our demo, or on occasion I'll use a blue ice mic. Here you can point out to projects that you have worked on or... I'm the scribe of HaBeFaStro. This is the channel of HaBeFaStro. Thank you so much for tuning into HaBeFaStro. Peace, love, and understanding, and remember to follow the crow-winged black cat.